welcome our first guest, alumni guest speaker, Aidor Saesee. Please help me welcome him.
Thank you, Ipong. Thank you.
And then followed by, we're gonna have a traditional Lahu harp, mouth harp that will be performing as well, by Aidor Saesee. Lola me, Novi.
Among ATP, Aviva, no, Ponan, Kikili. Okay, I don't understand that. Okay, my name is Aidor Saesee. Name Aidor Potang, which is Aidor originally got the name from my my grandpa, which is give me a name when I born, and Potang became later when I have first kid. My daughter's name is Itan, so I have to name Potang after Itan. So now I have two names, Aidor Potang. Okay. I'm 1991, class of 1991, graduated in 1991, and I'm in the first group. I'm the first group of graduation among Lahu people. We had three graduate that year, 1991, from COS. And when I came to United States. I was 16 years old, and I went to high school a year and a half. You know, imagine how hard. No English at all, non-English, and they put me in high school, and they want me to graduate, but I can't do it because of my very language. And so I have to drop out high school and continue in adult school. In Visalia adult school, take me 4 years to get high school diploma, to learn the language and same time all the necessary to get high school diploma. So I said, when I got my high school diploma, I told my wife, no more school. Let's go fishing, like Apong said, fishing, hunting. Let's have fun life. And she goes, no. And I went back to adult school when I graduated. Tell them, I hate school. I don't like school. And the counselor at adult school says, no, Aidor, you need to continue. Go to COS. They will help you. And one day I walked into his office in COS, say, can I help you? And I said, oh yeah, I need help. I want to register for school. And she goes, fine, good, come on in. And she said, the counselor says, what do you want to study? Everything. I said, English, everything. I want to know everything in English. And she said, how many units can you take? How many classes can you take? I go, I will come 8 to 5, stay here, college and learn. And she goes, no, it doesn't work that way at college. And you know, all the world speaker, English speaker, they can only take like 15 units. I say, no. I don't care about unit. I want English. I don't want English. And degree, I don't care because I don't know. I don't know that important degrees. And she goes, no, you can do that. You can sign up for 2 classes and first try. See how much you can you do. So she signed me up 2 classes, and I took 2 classes. And after semester ended, she goes, hey, come here, Aidor, you don't pass. You didn't pass. I go, what? I come every day. Yeah, but that's not the way it is. Work here, you need to be good in your exam. I go, okay, I try again. So keep going like that. Normal people, for 2 years, graduate associate degree, but took me 4 years and a half to get this diploma. And I don't really think that important that the degrees and that certificate, whatever. I said myself, if I speak English, I'm good enough. I can do anything. And then one day, right after graduate from college, I went to Unified School District to apply for the job. And there you go. They're asking for what degree you got, and I say I don't vote for degrees, and I call COS and say what degree did I got, and I didn't know I have it, but they told me you got a degree, so you can put it down the form, come here and pick it up your certificate or whatever, and we can, and then I know it is important to school, and this is my life, and I be telling the people that the college is very important. So I encourage people to come to COS because it's close to us, close to family, and it's convenient. And after that, like Apong said, Lahu people is a good walking path. So a lot of people come, and after that, I think like about 200-300 people graduate from COS and continue education. Today, Lahu people are more. The majors are like more medical field, and some counselor, school counselor, and some something else. A lot of the different areas. So I'm so happy, and I continue give a good recommendation about COS, and I want them continue here, even all my kids, my grandkids, and before they continue any further, because it's better close to us, and we can help each other, and we can see that they even go and study. And COS is great. When I came here, I met with a lot of good teachers and a lot of good personalities, and that's why I learned, and people help me a lot. Okay, so COS is a good place to learn. COS is a good place to come, and they will help you in any area that we don't know. Okay, so thank you very much for COS, for appreciate what I am today because of COS, and I'm retired. I was a younger, lazy, retired. Yeah, but I'm retired today and with my grandkids, busy with grandkids, and I have 17 grandkids, 5 kids, 1 wife, and we're still busy and happy and enjoy our life. Thank you.
All right, thank you, Aidor Saesee, and congratulations with your certifications. And